Hello, everyone, welcome to the presentation of SHF-IA series explosion-proof LED floodlight for hazardous locations. SHF-IA series explosion-proof LED floodlight can be used in Class 1 Division 1, Group C, D, and Zone 1 and 2, Zone 21 and 22 classification area. A variety of power options, 20 wattage to 200 wattage, high efficiency, exceed 140 lumen per wattage. Let us look at the structure for this lighting. The first feature, there is the solid encapsulation separation, for LED driver and LED lamp housing. The second feature, there are the integrated die-cast moduling for dense heat escaping fins. The explosion-proof flood lighting can be used in upstream oil and gas plant, middle stream refinery, and petrochemical plant, energy plant, chemical and pharmaceutical plant, etc.